Hello, I'm Sasha. Today I'm going to be doing an everyday eye look with Lawless The Little One. This is a beautiful palette that has 8 pans. It's a mix of mattes and shimmers, and they're in these gorgeous sort of neutral brown shades with some shimmery golds as well. I was really excited to try this out because this is more of neutral tones, whereas the larger palette called The One has more warmer shades. For a transition shade, I'm going to start with Pony. It's a beautiful matte brown. So I'm just going to apply it to the crease, sort of focusing down. I already have my eyes primed with the BareMinerals eyeshadow primer and a little bit of Lawless translucent setting powder. I love that these are really highly pigmented and are going on really smooth. Now I want to go ahead and define the outer corner, so I'm going to use a bit of Smolder, which is this rich matte brown. I'm going to use a smaller eyeshadow brush to get right into the crease. I'm going to start by packing it on near the lashes and then slowly work it up into the crease. I love how this brand has really clean ingredients. Like, not only are they talc free, but they have a huge list of things on their website that they avoid, like mineral oil and BHT. So this is the kind of palette that, both because of the neutral colors and the clean ingredients, it's something that I would reach for every day. Whereas a lot of palettes, like, they might smell really good or they might blend really well, but because of the ingredients, it's not something I'm as comfortable putting on every single day. Now that I've got that nice and blended, I'm going to go ahead and use a little more Pony on the middle of the eyelid. This is just going to give it a bit of a base color, but I want to use some glitters on top. Now that I've got my mattes on, I want to do the same thing on the bottom of the lashes. So I'm going to take a bit of Smolder on a really small smudge brush. I'm just going to smudge it right under the lash line. So I start in the outer corner and then work towards the center. Then a little bit of Pony on the same brush. I'm putting Pony in the center, similar to how I did up top. I love using shimmery shades to make my eyes pop, but I found that sometimes the shimmers tend to migrate and you get glitter all over your face. So one trick that I found is using a setting spray. Today I'm going to be using a Pacifica Cherry Matte setting spray, and I just go ahead and spray a little bit on my hand, and then I dip my hand in it and use it to apply the eyeshadow foiled or wet. So I just pat my finger that's wet with setting spray, and then go ahead and press that shimmery shade into the center. So this is Bonfire, which is the darker bronze. Oh, that's so pretty. I just love golden shades like this. They really make your eyes pop, especially if you have blue eyes. Now I want to do the same thing, but I'm going to use Luster, which is this lighter gold shade. But instead of applying it in the center of the eye, I'm going to go ahead and make it an inner corner highlight. Since it's a very similar tone to the Bonfire, which is the bronze, I'm trying to sort of blend the line together so it doesn't look too defined. I'm just going to use a little more setting spray and use this small smudge brush to do the same thing underneath the eyes. So I just spray a little bit on my hand, dip the brush in it, and then dip it in the glitter shades. So a little bit of Bonfire here, below the eye, and a little bit of Luster right in the inner corner. One thing I really love about this palette is it comes with gorgeous matte dark brown and black. So today I'm going to use Plunge, which is this matte black shade here, and use that as my eyeliner. Since I want it to be defined, I'm also going to use it with setting spray. I'm going to use this angled eyeliner brush, get that wet in the setting spray on my hand, and just pick up a little bit of this deep black matte powder. Then I'm going to go ahead and draw a line, sort of a cat eye shape. Same thing on the other side. I'm not really taking it all the way across the eye, I'm sort of stopping about halfway. This isn't coming out quite as deep as I like it, so I'm going to go ahead and fill it in with a liquid eyeliner. This is the Pacifica Charcoal Liquid Eyeliner. This one has a more typical pen applicator, so it's going to come out a little bit darker. Now that I've got my eyeliner on, I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of mascara. This is the Wander Beauty Unleashed Curl and Volume Mascara. I like it because it's got a great curved brush and it just gives a really nice shape and lots of volume. I think I first got this mascara in one of my Ipsy boxes or Birchbox or something like that, and I didn't expect to like it as much as I did, but there's something about the shape of this brush that just makes it really fun to use. That's the completed look. I really recommend this eyeshadow palette. I think it is absolutely gorgeous, and I love that it's both clean and neutral, and it's only $25. It's not insanely expensive. So I recommend checking it out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful and I hope you have a wonderful day. If you have any favorite neutral eyeshadow palettes, I'd love to hear about them. Please leave a comment below.